When it rains, it pours for Shebeshit, who was denied bail today and will remain in custody until 19 January 2026. Oh, Shebeshit. He's in a lot of Shebeshit now. Shebet, it gets messier because now the state has revealed that there are allegations that he forged the victim's withdrawal documents, you guys. Investigators will now have to review his past withdrawn cases, and he faces 9 charges, including 2 attempted murders and negligent firearm discharge linked to an October 2025 shooting incident. Kuningi nje guys, le ndoda inukelwa ijele qha. Hi fam, welcome to Pop Culture Daily News. Ninjani. Oh, what a sad December for Shebeshit and his dependents, including his very pregnant girlfriend, his girlfriend's family, his baby mama, not to mention his fans that are so blind to this dangerous man's actions and are always rooting for him. Gelisha, they must just cancel those December bookings because another family will have a miserable December because their loved one is in hospital fighting for their life because of Shebeshit. Can you believe that this guy is only 30 years old, but no man, we are out here sipping life with a straw and he's munching it with that spoon you use to dish out rice. Sorry. Yeah, that spoon you use to dish out rice, guys. Since 2025, this man has been evading justice. He's allegedly been intimidating victims into withdrawing cases, forging their signatures on withdrawal statements, and was allegedly shielded by certain police officials who frustrated complainants while protecting him. Let me tell you, he is not going down alone, and it's becoming evident that even his lawyers are on this because they are very much aware, okay? But Shemani, for a change, the justice system of South Africa is doing something. Bayasebenza, ne?
Yeah, so you are the victim. How are you victims? Suspect. How are you victims? It's me, the suspect. The one who always do the things. Oh shit!
I will never understand people who feel sorry or defend criminals. This young man clearly needs help and he will get it in prison. Hi, let me tell guys, I will see you on the next hot story. You are not subscribed, what are you waiting for? And hit that notification bell so that you do not miss any videos on this channel. Like the video guys, I will love you for it. Thank you for watching. Bye.